Hello everyone, how are you? Have a warm welcome to the Arambh classes. In this video, you will be learned about the recent developments in our neighboring island nation, that is of course Sri Lanka, regarding the Colombo Port City project, its backdrop, role of China in the project, criticism over it, views of Sri Lankan government officials, and lastly, India's role in the project. So let's dive into our discussion. Sri Lanka is an important island nation for maritime trade located in the Indian Ocean. As you can see in the map given here, the city of Colombo is located on the southwestern banks, which is an important location as a trading and financial bloc. To make use of this trading zone, China initiated Colombo Port City project as a part of ambitious One Belt One Road initiative in Colombo, Sri Lanka. Although the project was launched on September 2014 by the then Rajapaksa administration, but the following the new administration of Vikramasinghe Maitripala came to power in 2015. The project was suspended, but later on in 2019, with the advent of Rajapaksa administration in power, the project work get accelerated. Now in the last week, after clearing many hurdles, the long pending legal works got completed. Let's see what happened in the last week. In the last week, there are two major developments happened in Sri Lanka regarding the project. The first one, Sri Lankan government passed Colombo City Economic Commission Bill, which establishes Colombo City Economic Commission as a governing body. See, this contentious bill was passed after considering Supreme Court's recommendation for certain amendments with a majority of 149 legislature out of 225. And the second major event happened in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka invited international investments into the Colombo port city. See, Sri Lanka will be having a rich amount of foreign investment as investment is open to all entities over the world. And secondly, which is the real instruction for the investment, is that the foreign investors is exempted from tax. Now let's know what is Colombo Port City project. So basically it is a financial hub which is being built on the reclaimed land adjoining Colombo's seafront. The project was launched on September 2014 during the previous term of Rajapaksa administration in the presence of Chinese President Xi Jinping, who were on a visit to Sri Lanka. According to the government official, initial cost incurred in the project is $1.5 billion. Another important thing is that the project provides a tax haven for foreign investors, which will attract foreign direct investments up to $15 billion as claimed by project officials. Moreover, the project will bring 83,000 new jobs with good health and sanitation, electricity, road connectivity, communication, infrastructure. The Colombo Port City Economic Commission is the governing body which enjoys immunity from the Sri Lankan laws. These features of the project are welcomed by the government as proposed by China as a part of strategic Belt and Road Initiative. But the proposed legislation was highly criticized and seen as a direct threat to the national sovereignty by a large part of Sri Lankan population, civil rights activists, and opposition leaders. Now let's quickly look at the related concerns. Over a dozen of petitions were filed in the Supreme Court of Sri Lanka challenging the provisions of proposed legislation by the leaders of opposition parties including United People's Front, JVP, and others. The Governing Commission has unprecedented power which enjoys immunity from Sri Lankan law. According to the opposition leaders, it will against Sri Lanka's policy of one nation one law. This is one of the major concerns. The legislatures from opposition has challenged its provision that it will infringe upon the country's sovereignty and threatening to create a Chinese enclave. Some other leaders accused government of giving away part of its land to China. Rajapaksa administration policy is China-centric. Another concerns for the move were expressed by environmentalists and fisher folks. Amid these concerns, government passed the bill by accepting certain amendments recommended by Supreme Court. The government official defended the claims made by the opposition leader by describing the project as a fully Sri Lankan project. They said Sri Lanka would pursue a non-aligned foreign policy and there is no exclusivity in Sri Lanka's relationship with any one country. Although the mega infrastructural project is criticized by environmentalists, yet the concern of Chinese hand in the project is much more. Let's see why China is a cause of concern. Over the years, China has maintained its presence in the island nation. China has been keen to push its economic and infrastructural proposal to the Indian Ocean states. The increased independence on China for investment and military aid curtailed Sri Lanka's ability to limit Beijing's influence in its economic and maritime policy. Over the last few years, Beijing had increased its regional footprint in Sri Lanka. The Colombo Port City project, being the largest single foreign investment in Sri Lanka, is one of several massive Asian infrastructure projects funded by China. China's investment in Sri Lanka is not limited to this. China had been among the top leaders to Sri Lanka, especially since the pandemic struck, offering a $1 billion in loan. That is why critics activists warns about the China's debt trap policy which may harm countries' sovereignty and integrity later in future. Let's quickly look at the India's perspective over the recent developments. India has a close ties with Sri Lanka from decades now. There is a legacy of intellectual, cultural, religious and linguistic interactions. As far as development in the island nation is concerned, India always have a keen watch over it and took measures accordingly. India is worried for the increasing influence in Sri Lanka because it has overshadowed India-Sri Lankan relationship in recent time. For example, protecting the Tamil population from the excess of the army after the collapse of the LTTE was an important issue for the South Indian state of Tamil Nadu, but Important political issues have overshadowed by the China factor. This is the major reason for stress between the two countries. But India tried to regain its position in Sri Lanka. That's why thinkers are saying that India may invest in the Colombo Port City project. As of now, Delhi has maintained keen eyes on the situation at Sri Lanka and waiting for the final version of the bill. So friends, that is it for today. Thanks for watching the video. Meet you soon with another video. Till then, bye bye.